Hello everyone. I'm here. I'm here with the Empties video. I got so much stuff, y'all, I was saving for y'all to see. And I was wondering why. I said, I got all this stuff laying around. And I said, I better do this video, get this stuff out so I can finally throw it out. Okay. So let me start. I have the Antiseptic alcohol wipes. Y'all saw me buying this maybe 3 or 4 months ago, and it was 99 cents, and it was like in this discount. It was in a discount store. These were good. You get 100 wipes in there, and they really work well. So I will be looking for these again. These are, put on the glasses, y'all. These are the Med Pride. I had never seen these before. And when I saw, I should have got like 6 of them. And I said, that's a great price for 99 cents. So let me go on. I can't ramble too long because I got so much stuff here, y'all. I got so much stuff. So let me toss this in the trash. Y'all know I always buy this. This is the LA's Totally Awesome Ultra Deluxe dish detergent, and it's in the lemon. Okay, great. You see it on time, means I like it. I have the Dermasage dishwashing liquid, 99 cents. I always find this in the not dollar stores, the supermarkets in my area that caters to ethnic foods and stuff like that and products. And I love this. It's gentle on my hands. I've been having a lot of trouble with my hands here lately, and this works well. I just don't see it in a big container and a big bottle, and that's what I'm upset about. I never see it in a real big bottle. If you know where I can get this, a nice size bottle, please let me know in the comments section. Of course, I always get the Palmolive Essential Clean, so y'all know about that. You saw me do a review. This was on my other channel. I may have done it over here, I'm not sure. The Ariel Revitacolor, excellent. You see it. Get a lot of these, y'all. It smells so nice and it cleans good. Almost laundry detergent. I did a review on that. Great. Game Flings was on sale. Y'all know what I always say about the pods, the laundry pods. But when it's inexpensive, I still grab them up. It's pretty good. I have the Tide. It's the one that, I don't know if it's Vietnam or one of those countries. Whenever I see this, I get it. It works well. It's only $1.49. I have the Suavitel Complete fabric softener. Works well. I have the Suavitel Complete, and this, let's see what the Sunshine Bloom. Great. Got it from Dollar Tree. Stock up on these, y'all. I have the LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen Orange. Great. They're getting harder to find in the orange. You see it, grab it, because you can use it to clean so many things. I have the Summer Sun Fab laundry detergent. This is 20 ounces powder. So one day I was out with my sister, maybe about 2 months ago, and we stopped in this Dollar Tree and they had this, and I said, I'm gonna pick this up and try it. I picked it up. I loved it, y'all. And even though it's in the smaller box like they're making now, it's really, really good. I loved it. A Brillo dish detergent, great. Another LA's Totally Awesome. This is the blue one. It's good. I did buy it 2 times and it was watered down, and I don't know why, but sometimes I buy it and it's concentrated and it's great, and then sometimes I don't know. I can't even assume because I don't know what that's about. I couldn't assume though. Whew, got so much stuff here, so let me continue. I got the Select bathroom tissue, and it's 4 in here for $149. Pick that up a lot. I have the Xtra. My sister brought me 4 of these. You're just gonna see 3 because I'm about to use the other one. And it's the Xtra nice and fluffy fabric softener. And this is the Tropical Passion. She got me 4, but right now I used up 3. Y'all, she got it from Dollar Tree. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, I love this. You see it, grab yourself up a whole lot of these, okay? Do yourself a favor. And let me see how many ounces these are. 25 ounces. Oh, this bag is piling up. I'm going to put some stuff over here. Got another Brillo. I got the M-Wash Aroma Booster and Odor Eliminator. Everybody is getting in touch with me saying that they cannot find this, y'all. It's hard to find. I'm here to say, when you find it, get more than usual because you may not see it again, or if you see it again, it's going to take a long time. It's going to be months and months and months. So pick that up. I have the Dove Shea Butter and Vanilla. I get this ever so often, $3.99. It smells good. Moisturize your skin. I love it. I will keep buying it. Get on to my bleaches. I have the Tandem. Y'all know I love this. It's a nice size bottle, and I think it was $2 something at Aldi's, something like that. So you might want to grab up a lot of these for the winter, okay? I got the LA's Totally Awesome bleach from Dollar Tree. Matter of fact, I got what's the second one, and I got a third one. I got the Hispano laundry detergent. I love this stuff, y'all. I love this stuff. You know, with this, you don't really need that fabric softener. You don't need those beads. You don't need all that extra stuff that we be buying. This is, I consider all-in-one, which they should have kept them all-in-one. Now we have to buy all this extra stuff. But get some of this. I have the LA's Totally Awesome fabric softener. It's not a strong smell, but it will make your clothes soft, and you will smell like a light scent with this. And it's a big bottle. It's how many ounces? Got glasses on, I still can't see. I need an appointment, y'all. Well, anyway, it's for 32 loads of clothes. Loads of clothes. So that's a good deal. You know, even though Dollar Tree is going to go up to, I think it's a $125, It's still a good deal. This I've been seeing a lot. I keep buying it. It's gentle, and there's a lot in here. This body wash, 32 ounces. Great. We'll keep buying it. This is the Spa House Nouveau. That's on my Nouveau Hydration Body Wash. Get some of this. I got the Scott Comfort Plus toilet tissue. I think I got this from Dollar Tree. It's pretty good. I like it. I got a Scott. Oh, this is spilling out all over the place. Scott's toilet tissue, 1,000 sheets per roll. Great, love it. I didn't see this. I have another one of those Tide detergent. This one was 99 cents. Wait a minute. Why was that one 149? I must have got it from somewhere else. And I got the Tide Pods, Free and Gentle. Now, y'all, I'm not all that fond of the Free and Gentles, but they're good for my skin. And it works well. And when I got it was on sale. Got it a while back and it was on sale. So get it, your clothes will smell fresh. But you know, we all like a little fragrance. So if you get this, and if you get a not bath beads, if you get a laundry beads that don't break you out, get this and then use that, okay? What the heck is this? Oh, this is paper towels. This is Eco First Sustainable Paper Products. It's a paper towel. I think I got this from Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. I think I got it from Amazon. And it was good. You get, how many in here? 2 big rolls. I'm getting down, y'all. I was getting a little nervous. I got so much stuff. You know I always get Ajax. This is the vinegar and lime. Now let me tell y'all something, and a lot of y'all know, most of y'all know. These things that have the vinegar and a lot, you can put your dish detergent, put your own vinegar in there, you know? But this is reasonable, but I'm just saying that. I have one of my favorite laundry detergents. Maybe I can take this off and I can see a little bit. One of my favorite laundry detergents is Persil Pro Clean Intense Fresh Deep Clean of visible and invisible dirt. Yes, invisible dirt. Invisible. I love this stuff. And I got this from Amazon. Love it. It's concentrated. You know, a lot of us with those little small machines, you don't have to use much. This is highly fragrant, highly concentrated. You just put a little bit in there. This thing will last you pretty good. So I got Daily Defense body wash. I think it's okay. No big deal, but to add to my stash so I don't have to be running out to the stores, it was good. I have the Mountain Falls Lavender body wash. So I didn't get this from Dollar Tree. I don't know if Dollar Tree carries it. They may have it. I got it from my local dollar store. 24 ounces. It was great. When I see it, I get it. I love this. I like to get the real big bottles of body wash, and then I don't have to worry about keep replacing stuff, even though I end up replacing stuff. But this will do. If you get like 5 or 6 of these and keep them on hand, you're good for a good while. I got another, not another. It's the Mainstays Tea Lights. I like to get these from Walmart, for your wax burner. They're pretty good. They last so long. They last a long time. And I'd rather get the big packs of these. They're not expensive. I don't know if they're $2.50, $2.99, something like that. And you'll have them for a good while. I need to get back to Walmart. I need to get some more. I am running out. I have the Zest Simply Ocean Wave. I was chuckling about this, y'all. In some videos back, maybe 2 or 3 back, something like that. It works okay. It's a little bit drying to my skin, but it will make you smell so good, so fresh. Ocean water smell. Yes, yes, yes. Where did I get that? Did I get that from Dollar Tree? I think I got this from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure. I think I did, though. My last item. I know y'all saying, why don't this chick get through this? Okay. Why don't she hurry up? I'm hurrying up, y'all. Here's my last one. This is the Game Aroma Boost Original. I like this, y'all. It took me a long time to get through it because, of course, y'all know the story. I'm a laundry detergent hoarder, okay? I be hoarding. And so this was one of them and lasted a long time. Y'all know Game always smell good. And I like when I buy a strong one that doesn't make me itch and doesn't irritate me. And I don't have to use specifically that fabric softener in the beads. You don't have to use that with this. Unless you just want an extra fragrance boost. Now, for my jeans, I like my jeans to smell real strong and with Gain and the beads and all that stuff. But for my other clothes, I might, if I have this, I may not put all that stuff in there. Okay, so I dragged this on enough, y'all. Love y'all so much. I was on a break from YouTube. I've been very, very busy. And I won't be on as much. I am going to release some more videos because I need to release some. And I got some stuff stored and I need to, I need to release them, get them out of my camera and all that stuff because it's building up. So I will be back soon. I love you all. Hope you enjoyed your holiday. And I love y'all. Thanks for sticking with me. I think I said that the last video, but I really mean it because you don't have to. Okay? I know I'm not watching as many videos and stuff because my time is limited. And if the videos are real long, I just can't do it. But things will get back to normal soon, okay? Especially in January. She's probably saying, January? Yeah, I think I have more of a schedule of uploading. Maybe, I'm not going to promise twice a week, but at least once a week like I used to do, okay? All right, y'all. Have a great, it's the evening here. Have a great night, and I will talk to you all soon.